taxi.
One city, one country, one rules. Biro mo, obligado kang kumanan. It applies to right turn. You have to leave one lane for the right turner. Pero pag nag stoppage na, wala nang passage to go right. So that's the reason traffic will start. And then mag-heavy traffic na the whole street. So how you can solve the problem about traffic? Kasi the biggest problem in the city is traffic.
Oo. Eh, daming mga ayaw pumunta dito
Those country na they are not experience some traffic every day. Then pag pumunta sila dito, that's the activity due for them na it feels like disgusting daw. Oh, traffic. Headache.
It's the traffic.
Yeah, we lost our day today because we did not go to the seminar on time, our appointment on time. Some of them, I think the secret is when you come to the Philippines, check what you are going to do the first thing, especially when traffic. Alamin mo yung what time you go out.
Naku, lagi sila nag-aalat ng ng 2 hours, 3 hours to 2 hours.
The fastest destination. Dapat alam mo yung place to go. If you don't need to ride with the taxi, use the LRT. So dapat you have to familiarize sometimes places to go. And then you know how much is the transportation fee, basic, and yung mga long distance fee, diba?
No.
Tapos yung kasi yung mga country nila, there are some food that they love to eat, so they check the restaurants, hotel, kasi may mga food na they don't like, so you can find another for the right food for them. Kasi mahirap sabi ko, check mo yung pinaka cheaper na na hotel, cheaper and cheapest, tapos yung accessible. Kasi maganda nga yung cheapest na yung accommodation, pero it's the
sobrang cheap nung babayaran, Diyos ko.
Yung appointment siguro mga malalayo pa, so dapat malapit sila doon sa offices or yung place na gusto nilang puntahan. Dapat yung hotel nearby yung destination nila next day. Kasi kung mga embassy, diba?
Oo. Pero yan sa mga kaibigan kong mga Amerikano, mas gusto nilang lapit-lapit sa embassy nila.
Kaya nga,
para kung may problema daw, at least madaling makapunta.
But the Philippines is not a place where trouble is there always. Philippines is a peaceful country. No more war zone, because Duterte, the previous president, was the one who destroyed the bad guys. And now Duterte is planning to be a candidate for senator.
Baka Duterte ba kaya?
Yes, because I live near Davao.
Ah.
I'm from Agusan. Then yung borderline next the right left side is Surigao.
Mm.
The right side is Zamboanga.
Oh.
Pero bago yung Zamboanga, naka muna lang iligan, Marawi, bukid dun, di ba?
Ah.
But when you go straight southern, Davao yan. So, yung destination na yun, safe din yung lugar na yun. Mura pa pagkain.
Oo, pag saan? Probinsya. Dito
Gusto ko kinilaw, matagal ako din napagkilaw.
pag lumabas ka dito ng bahay mo, gastos agad eh.
Taga dito po ba kayo?
O, taga Cavite kami talaga. Ako. Lumipat ako dito. Naghiwalay kami nung unang asawa ko. Tapos nakuha ko na yung mga anak ko. Kaya dyan na sila nag-aral sa Arellano.
Okay. Malalaki na?
Ano na, nakagraduate na yung isa ko.
Pilipino yung unang asawa mo?
Ito, Swedish siya.
Pero yung unang asawa?
Pilipino.
Sudan.
Wala na?
Sudan. Patay na yata siya. Kinain na yata ng buhaya.
Kinain na ng buhaya. Di ba lang nagparamdam?
Born in Sweden.
Magkano? Ilan ba yung kids na nasa'yo?
3.
Hindi naman nagparamdam sa'yo?
Wala na yan.
Baka nakasawa na, tika.
Hindi ko.
Mainit.
Konti.
Lakasan ko muna.
Oo. Ito, is born in
Sweden. But
Sweden.
my dad is from Sudan and my mom is from Ethiopia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little mix.
Sweden, under the government of US?
No, Sweden.
Sweden?
Katabi niya po ang Denmark.
Denmark?
Nasa Europe po sila.
Europe. Mga European country.
Oo.
Denmark, Norway and Finland is
Yeah.
Near Norway?
close.
Magkakatabi
It's really
sila.
close. Yeah, on the map.
Mga lugar dati noong unang panahon ng mga Vikings.
Yeah.
Yan. Yung lugar niya sa Sweden, parang yung Bataan, Denmark na. Kaya minsan pagtatawid sila sasakailan sila ng maliit na barko, Denmark na.
Okay. Barts, yung mga ganon.
Oo.
May barko sa kanila kahit maliit, beautiful eh.
High-tech yung ano nila.
Parang it's somewhat like a car. Yung
The
design
boats you have there going to Denmark, he was
Yes.
saying it's like a high-tech car.
Yeah, it's
But floating, like hotel. A floating hotel.
yes, the same like hotel.
I like the style, I like the
restaurant.
arts.
Yeah,
There's even restaurants.
and cinema. I think.
Because their design is modern and unique.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what the Filipino would like to build like Sweden and other country. Diba? Kaya lang it's more money to spend. So aside from architecture, spend a lot of money to
Yeah, they're good in
build very unique.
Sila mahilig ano din sila sa recycling.
Sila?
Ang Sweden.
recycling.
Ay,
water
recycling is
bottles.
good.
Oo, yung kaya din yung sa kanila nagsimula yung pag mamumulot ng mga plastic bottle, shoot mo sa machine tapos babayaran ka. Kung ilang pirasong
Kasi
mga
yung recycling is you have to save the earth. Like here when you throwing your garbage, yung mga drainage is already stuck na start flooding.
They have station for recycling.
The plants is also the lands is also denuded. Why? Because they came coming from the garbage. So
People are
me in a main place, when I buy vegetables, the waste, like the part of the vegetables which you cannot cook anymore, recycle it into
From the grow.
into the I think like
We put it in the soil para
fertilizer.
maging fertilizer.
Yeah, for plants.
Wastages from the vegetables.
Then
that we
cans
don't use.
put into the basket.
Mm.
So sometimes it takes 1 year. So one sack only because sometimes we eat sardines, easily preparation. It's hard to cook. Sometimes it's hard to cook. No gas tube. Diba kasi sometimes shortage of money.
Yan. Tuna, yan, paborito niya, tuna in can.
I like fish salad. Spicy.
Yeah. Red chili.
Punta na ba siya ng
Tapas.
ng Jinsan?
Hindi pa, ano pa lang pa napunta namin po,
Nagkikinilaw ba ang Pangasinan?
Hindi ko lang po alam eh.
Di katulad sa amin gusto namin fish salad. And sometimes yung let's say 5 kilos of fish. Yung malaki, the biggest one, 5 kilos.
Oh, the
So you
big
can
fish,
prepare 3 kind of recipe. Salad, fish salad, and grill, then what is it called? Tinula.
It's heavy.
Yeah, with big fishes.
Yeah.
3 recipe that is called shoot to kill. Shoot to kill. Why? Shoe is sugba, grilled. 2 is tinula, it's soup. And then kill is kinilaw, like fish salad.
Oh, it's very different.
Fish,
Yeah.
shoot to kill. Got 3 combination. Need 5 kilos fish. Mahilig pa sila sa sabaw.
Depende sa kanya kung ano lang ma-feel niya. Hindi naman siya mapili.
Pero yung grill kasi sa kanila, yung basic na. Kasi wala ka makuha sa,
You try fishing before?
there's no bad oils like bad fats coming from
Fishing?
fish.
In his hometown.
Ah, you fish before also.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's why he likes fish.
Yeah, because we live there, seashore,
Okay.
near the ocean,
Yeah. So,
in front of the Pacific Ocean.
yeah.
Tuna
Good there.
as big as like that, the whole car. The fishing vessel will be
You can catch a tuna
Yeah.
as big as that car.
they are using fishing vessel and the
Well,
machine.
big.
Yeah,
Like a car.
yes. Sometimes they can catch
They bring
that.
it to the slicing machine. Into a small piece.
Okay, we so
Yeah,
big
like that. Then bigger the round whole body,
Yeah.
cut into like that, into small pieces, or
Yeah.
as thick as that.
As thick as that. You would cut the whole tuna.
Okay.
If you
Then cut it into
if you
smaller
remember
pieces.
the form of helicopter,
Yeah.
tuna sometimes look like helicopter.
Oh my god.
As big as that. They can
There's no-
grow as big as that.
Then the fishing vessel will the crane going dipping.
The crane with
Lifting
the
the-
tuna.
How many years they need to be so big?
It depends. Ilang taon daw bago lumaki ng ganong kalaki yung mga tuna.
If tuna, like the species is turned into bigger, sometimes 1 year, they grow as fast as bigger until the last size.
Oh,
You reach
okay.
the last size.
Yeah.
Sometimes takes
So
2
a lot of
years.
species about tuna. There is tuna that can only be grown into 2 kilos.
Yeah, yeah.
Yellowfin can be grown into 1 ton.
Yellowfin tuna can
Yeah.
grow as big as
Yeah.
heavy
He
as
will also
1
eat
ton.
Filo fish, small fish. You like eating also small fish.
Small fishes.
Yeah.
Oo, makain din yan ng mga ano.
And then sometimes 50 kilos, 20 kilos, like that.
And they need 3 people or 4 people to lift it, or they have
Yes,
machine.
They have machine, they have
Okay.
fishing nets, they have heavy duty
Yeah,
fishing
okay.
nets.
Many people.
Sometimes crane with heavy chains
Yeah.
would hook up the tuna.
Yeah.
Tuna found mostly in the southern part of Mindanao in Jinsan where Pacquiao live.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
in Gensan,
Yeah.
General Santos. eh. Pino. Tagal.
Pangasinan, I don't know.
Kami sa Tondol.
Ha?
Tondol kami nagpunta.
Meron din?
Oo.